Kids channel.
Hello learners, welcome to Innovative Kids channel. Join us to learn fun Christmas conversations, perfect for your English daily routine practice.
Hi there. Are you enjoying the Christmas event?
Hi, yes, it's lovely. The decorations are beautiful, aren't they?
What brings you to this Christmas party?
I came with some friends. And you? Have you tried the hot cocoa yet?
Not yet, but it smells amazing. Want to grab some together? By the way, I am James. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, James. I am Emily. So, James, do you live around here?
Yes, I live a few blocks away. How about you? What do you do for work, Emily?
I am a teacher. How about you? What's your favorite Christmas tradition?
I love decorating the tree. What about you? Do you have any special Christmas memories?
Yes, baking cookies with my grandma. And you? Do you usually spend Christmas with your family?
Yes, we always have a big family dinner. How about you? Do you like Christmas movies?
Absolutely. Home Alone is my favorite. Yours? Do you play any sports, James?
I enjoy playing soccer. Do you play any sports? What kind of music do you enjoy?
I love jazz. What about you? Have you tried the gingerbread cookies here?
Yes, they are delicious. Did you like them? Did you see the Christmas tree outside?
Yes, it's stunning. Did you get a picture? Are you enjoying the music here?
Yes, it's great. I love the festive vibe. Do you have any pets, Emily?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you have any? What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy hiking and reading. How about you? Have you traveled much?
I have been to a few places. What about you? Any plans for New Year's?
Not yet. How about you? Are you making any New Year's resolutions?
Yes, to travel more. Do you have any? What's on your bucket list for next year?
I want to learn a new language. And you? What's your favorite Christmas dish?
I love roast turkey. And yours? Do you enjoy baking? James?
I do, especially around Christmas. Do you? Have you ever tried making a gingerbread house?
Yes, once. It was so much fun. Have you? Have you ever had a funny Christmas mishap?
Yes, once I burned the turkey. And you? Do you have any funny holiday stories?
Yes, my cat once knocked over the Christmas tree. What's the funniest gift you have ever received?
A pair of socks with my face on them. Did you have fun decorating today?
Yes, it was great. Did you enjoy it? What was your favorite part of the event today?
I love the caroling. What about you? Did you participate in any games here?
Yes, I tried the wreath toss. It was fun. Do you enjoy painting or drawing?
I like drawing. Do you? Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano. What about you? Have you ever tried photography?
Yes, I love taking pictures. How about you? Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, Pride and Prejudice. Do you have one? What's your favorite movie genre?
I love action movies. And you? Have you read any good books recently?
Yes, a mystery novel. And you? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger sister. How about you? Are you close with your family?
Yes, very much. How about you?
It's getting late. Should we head out?
Yes, I guess so. It's been great chatting with you. Thanks for the lovely evening, James.
Thank you, Emily. I hope to see you again soon. Take care, Emily.
You too, James. Have a great night.
Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.